you know, I just really appreciated you being straight up with me. And again, Lee gives you options. Like, he'll tell you what's most important.
Right.
So
that's what I love.
Because not everyone has $10,000 to throw at their car every month.
Right.
So I want to know, okay, is it drivable? You know, what do we need to fix so I can keep driving? And then we'll take care of the other petty stuff later.
Right.
And I need that.
Well,
I don't have
We
unlimited
have
resources.
an old Jeep that's helped taken all our kids through school, and what I love is, I mean, there've been several times we've brought it in frustrated and said, should we just get rid of it? And we
Should we
said,
just start
no,
over?
no. Don't get rid of it.
Mhm.
You know what? Just do this and this and this now. These would be good things to do later. If you want to do this, you can, but you don't have to. You know,
I need
and
that.
I'll tell you, it's been a great blessing.
Yeah, because, you know, obviously we all need to get to work to make money, right? So I can fix the stuff that's non-essential a little later when I can fit it in.
Right.
But I need to keep on the road. And that, I don't have a husband to fall back on. I don't have thousands of relatives in the area that I can borrow their car for a week. So I kind of depend on that car to make my living.
So
So
it's
I
funny,
can't-
because even like when Blair and Daddy got married, they were taking our Toyota, and the most important thing, the day before they got married, in fact, it might have been the day they got married, we had the car in here. Because we knew they were going to Page. We were like, let's just take it in. And what I love is, I remember, I don't even know if we called. I think we just walked in and said, you weren't expecting us. We need this in like an hour or two. Can you look at it? And they were like, absolutely. When I know good and well they were busy.
And that
There was
wouldn't have
no-
happened
you know,
any other place.
I knew it.
That wouldn't have
I love
happened.
it. We love them.